chapter name is, in this chapter we will see how to add and how to subtract the numbers. Okay, first slide we will see here, it is an example of addition. Now here I will explain you how to give the number to side to numbers. Okay, see here. Here it is there. First we will add it from the right hand side, from the this side. Okay, from this side to this side, like this we will go for the addition. Okay, from here you will not go, from here you will not go, this is a wrong way. For the addition and subtraction, both for addition subtraction, we will go from the right hand side, from the right hand side. Okay, so what is the first number? That is 6 plus 8. What will be the answer? 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. Yeah, say. Yeah, very good. It is 14. So what you will do? You will first write a 14 is there now. The first two numbers are there, but we have to write only one number in the answer. So what you will now do? First, you will write the first number. You will carry to the 5. First number, that is 1. 14, 1. 1, and here it is 4. You will write 4 in the answer, and you will give 1 to the 5 number, because 5 is standing beside the 6 number. So now we will do the plus of 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, how much? 5 plus 7 is 13. I'm not asking this one. I'm just asking 5 plus 7. Listen it carefully. Yeah, 5 plus 7 is 13. Okay. And after 13, 1 is given now by 14. So how much? 12 plus 1, that is 13. Correct. So 1 you will give. 1 you will give here, and you will write 3 below the number. On below the number only your answer should be come. Okay. Now 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. Yeah, 9 plus 4 is 13, and 1 we have added here. So we will add this in 13, that is 14. So 14. So 1 we will give here, and 4 we will give here. And now we will plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 7. Very good. And 1 I have given here now. 2, 3. How much then it is? It is a 8. Very good. It is a 8. Okay. Now no number is left. The only single number is there, 8. That's why I have written that. Now 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. So in this way you have to solve your problem set 7. In this way you have to solve your problem set 7. Okay. This is your addition. How you have to do add. In this way you have to solve it. Okay. Now we will see the next slide. See here, it is a practice set is 7 is given here. Questions are there. Now you will tell me the first answer. What will be the first answer? Okay. See, 7 plus 8.
Teacher, 15.
15. 1. Wait. 1 and 5. Huh. Now what is the next? 2 plus 4?
7.
Huh?
7.
Don't take the carry number. Only 2 plus 4. What I am saying, listen it. 2 plus 4?
6.
6. Plus 1. Here it is a carry. Plus 1?
7.
7. Okay. Now 4 plus 6?
10.
So 1 I will give to 6 number and 0 I will write here. Okay. 6 plus 0, 0. And 1 we have taken. So 6 plus 1?
7.
7. Okay. Now next. 5 plus 1?
6.
Okay. So this is your answer.
Yes.
In this way, you will see the question in your textbook. That is page number 11. That is page number 11. In this way, you will see the question. Like this, you have to make a column for every questions and you have to solve it. Okay. Every questions you have to make a column and you have to solve it. Okay. How? See. Now first, what is the number? That is 42,311. 42,311. So for 4 is at which place? 10,000 place. Barabar. So you will write here 4. After that 2 is at 1000 place. So you will write here 2. 3 is at 100 place. So you will write 3 at 100 place. 1 is at 10 place, so you will write 1 in the 10 column, and again 1 is at the unit place, so you will write 1 at the unit place. So what will be the next number? 65,36,624. So 6 is at the 10 lakh place, so you will write here 6 at the 10 lakh place. Okay. 5 is at the lakh place. So you will write 5 at the lakh place. Next, 3. 3 is at the 10,000 place. So you will write 3 at the 10,000 place. 6 is at the 1000 place. You will write 6 at the 1000 place. Again, 6 is at the 100 place. You will write 6 at the 100 column. 2 is at the 10 place, then you will write 2 in the 10 place. 4 you will write at 4 at unit place. If you are having confusion, then see how you have to write. See here. अभी आप लोग को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है नंबर कैसे स्टार्ट करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल डू, you will take from the right side number. You will take from the right side and write down it as it is. 4 2 6 6 3 5 6. Okay, understood? Put your plus sign. Okay, here it is a plus sign in here, so you have to give here also. Like this also you can write from the last, that is from the right side number, you can write it. Okay, now you have to solve this. So this, in this way you have to solve the problem set, that is problem set 5. In this way you have to solve it. Okay, this is the way how you have to solve this problem set. If you want to take a screenshot, take it fast. Okay. Now see here. Problem set 9 is a problem word. Okay, solve. Okay, this is a solve the problems. In this, you have to write, you have to first make a sentence. How? I will explain you how you have to make a sentence. See here. What is the question? Here, what is the question? In a certain election, 13 lakh 47 and 48 women as voted. Okay, and how many men has voted? That is 14 lakh 29,638. So we have to mix these two all together and we have to see total how many votes have done. Okay, polled. Okay, first you will write the women's election. So you will write the election vote. How you will write? See. Vote polled by women. Okay, how many votes are polled by women? That is 13 lakh 47,048. Okay, after that, vote polled by men. Like this sentence you have to make by your own. Okay, by seeing the question. This is a given. Okay, ये दिया हुआ है ना, so this is known as the given by men. That is 14 lakh 29,638. So this is the given. Okay, ये हमारा एक और number है. Now what we have to do? We have to see what is the total votes all together. What is the total votes all? What is the what is the total vote? We have to plus it. How? See, here I am doing 34,7,048 plus 14,29638. Okay, now we will plus it. 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 60. So we will write your 1 here. One here and 6 here. And 4 plus 3, 7. 7 and 1 carry, that is 8. It will become a 8. Okay. Next is 0 plus 6. It will be 6. 9 plus 7. Sorry, 7 plus 9 or 9 plus 7. Same. So that will be 16. 4 plus 2. 6. And 1 carry. That is 7. 6 plus 4. 7. 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the answer? That is 27,76,686. So here you will write votes. As it is, you will write votes polled all together is equal to, what is the answer? That is 27,76,686. In this way, you have to solve the problems. Okay, this is known as the word problem. Okay, this we have to solve. Okay, so this is the answer. Write down in 5 minutes. Okay. see the sentence how I have made by my own. Like this, you have to make the sentence by your own. Now see, what will be the sum of the smallest and the largest 6-digit number? Smallest and the largest 6-digit number. A smallest 6-digit number. Now you have to do first the, what is they have asked smallest. So you will write here, you will write the smallest number, that is smallest number will be what, 6 digit में सबसे smallest number कौन सा आता है जो 6 digit का होता है, that is 1 lakh. Okay, see 6 digit is there ना, अगर 1 lakh से एक नंबर भी कम हो गया तो 5 digit हो जाएगा बराबर. So the 6 digit में जो सबसे पहले नंबर शुरू होता है वो होता है 1 lakh. After that the largest 6 digit number, what you have to do, you have to write the largest 6 digit number. The largest 6 digit number is, what is the largest, सबसे largest 6 digit में कौन सा है, that is 9,99,999. If you will mix add one more number in this, then what you will do, you will get a 7 digit number. That's why it is the largest last 6 digit number. Okay, now what they have asked, they have told to do the sum. Sum means they have told to do the plus, addition. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to add this number, we have to add this number and this number, and this is your answer. Okay, so what you will write, the total number is equal to 10,99,999. Okay, in this way you have to write it. Okay, after 10 lakh 1 comma, 10,000 1 comma.